Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garmin Pay on your Fenix 6. First, ensure your Fenix 6 is paired with the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. This connection is essential for setting up and managing your virtual wallet. Garmin Pay offers a convenient and secure way to make purchases directly from your wrist, allowing you to leave your wallet at home. It's perfect for quick stops during a run or when you're out without your phone. We'll cover the simple steps to get you started. To set up your Garmin Pay wallet, open the Garmin Connect app on your phone. From the device menu, select your Fenix 6, then tap on Garmin Pay. Choose Create Your Wallet and establish a secure 4-digit passcode. This passcode protects your transactions. Next, carefully enter your credit or debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Review and accept the terms and conditions to complete the card addition process. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. Making a payment with your Fenix 6 is incredibly simple. When you're ready to pay, hold down the light button on your watch for approximately 1 second to access the controls menu. From there, select the wallet icon. If it's your first transaction after putting on the watch, you'll be asked to enter your 4-digit passcode. Once unlocked, choose your desired card and hold your watch within a few centimeters of the contactless payment reader. A green checkmark confirms a successful transaction. Garmin Pay prioritizes your security. Your actual card numbers are never stored on your watch or on Garmin servers. Instead, a unique encrypted token is used for every transaction, making it highly secure. You'll only need to enter your 4-digit passcode once every 24 hours, or if you remove your watch from your wrist. For the best experience, always keep your Fenix 6's software updated. This ensures you have the latest features and security enhancements for seamless, worry-free payments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.